Okay, tube, check it out. It's just temporary fix. Bag up so y'all can see it. Okay. I just primed it. Well, primer etched it. Whatever they call it, but I primed the spray primer on it. And I pretty much just saved myself some labor. Saved the paint shop a lot of time from stripping this bitch down to paint. So I mean, I stripped it down to metal. You know what I'm saying? So when I get there, they don't have that much labor. We gonna cut that quarter panel out. So I ain't worried. I wasn't too worried about stripping that down to metal. All this other shit is minor. Okay, now I ain't gotta worry about it rusting. I think I'm gonna replace that quarter panel too. And the next project, next video, we're gonna go in the inside of here. And we're gonna straighten up all this bullshit right here we got going on. I pulled that dash. That dash was acting real, I don't know, it's the digital dash wasn't acting right. Let me get it for y'all, hold up. This digital dash, I got a Dakota digital dash in here, and it's dim. It's real dim, so I took it out. So I think I'm gonna just put another dash in here. And yeah, you gotta keep a fire extinguisher in here. So what I'm gonna do on this one, I'm gonna pull this dasher loose. I'm gonna trace all my wires, cap them off, because some of these wires, I got like 21 circuits on this. I redid the whole chassis harness. It's like 21 circuits. It got power windows, power door locks, all that old extra shit. So I'm gonna cap all of those off, because that's pretty much that's what all those extra wires is for. Just a lot of positive wires for other different stuff. So I'm gonna cap them off so they won't be so long. And then this Terminator X Max, I'm gonna screw this behind the dash. So I'm gonna pull this dash apart and clean this up. And then I gotta mount the seats. I gotta mount the seats the right way. See how they kind of like leaning off. So I gotta get some seat mounts for that. So I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna clean this shit up, man. It's dust and shit everywhere from me sanding everything down. So I'm gonna come in here probably the next time I got off, and then we're gonna sand it down. I'm gonna show y'all this motor, man. To my new subscribers, it is LS swap. It's got a well, let me pop the hood first and tell y'all what kind of motor is in it. Hold on, let's see. Ah, shit. Okay. All right, this is a 6.0 LS. Those who know what I'm talking about. But it is all fully electronic, drive-by-wire. It's got a 4L80 E-trans, 373 gears. Got a custom drive shaft, posi rear end. It's got a cam in it. Just it ain't no big cam. Just a regular LS cam. 600 lift. That's pretty much it. And then I put 799 heads on it for more compression. Then I got some bigger injectors in it too. So I think that's it. And I'm gonna do some rewiring, man. I gotta do a lot of rewiring because this shit right here, I gotta do better with this. That positive is too close to that negative. I'm asking for a problem. But this Terminator X Max, it's a lot of fucking wires and relays. So I gotta figure out a way how to hide all this bullshit. So that's the next job until the paint shop. But all my new subscribers, appreciate y'all subscribing. And I'm gonna start posting more. Like I said, I just, I don't know, I just kind of like fell off. I didn't really, I wasn't in the mood to record, but I'm finna get back on it. Show y'all my other fleet. Got a GT 2023 Dodge GT Challenger. And then we got the RT Hemi. It's a 2025 RT Dodge Durango. But believe it or not, this GT is a lot faster than that. If you ask me, this motherfucker fast. But and it got the track mode and all of that on it. Yep, this car right here. Track mode, everything. And I'm gonna give y'all some content in that too, whenever I get a chance. But appreciate y'all watching. Y'all go ahead, subscribe. I'm out, man. To the next video. Stay tuned.
I float like a ghost when I ride. Still on it, they hope I retire. No both. This